Okay, move on to the class. I hope my screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Control here. Now check it according to our document. See, actually, today we are entering into find and unique content in the file by using unique command. Unique, UNIQ, unique command. See, already file already we got created somewhere. I think data. I may create one folder quickly. Now mkdir LAK there VI file one within the file one same content twice or thrice. Maybe I'm writing dev insert dev again dev see there Linux there shell again Linux again shell again dev even I may give capital dev now capital shell like that. And now I think without duplication, which data is there? Without duplication, I may go with maybe answer. This is a singlet. Someone is going to join. Yeah, good. Good evening. Now see here, my content is there, escape, shift colon X. You know this, two ways we can go for uniqueness. Two ways we can go for uniqueness. The first way, I may go for cat. What is the file name? File one. You know it. As it is, am I getting or not? Here I want to convert like a unique, simply pipe symbol, observe, UNIQ, unique. Really, am I getting uniqueness? Anyone can tell me? There, DevApps, Linux. Hello, are you understanding? Am I getting uniqueness or not? No. First of all, what will you do? You must sort. You must sort. Yes, what is sort? See, after sorting, how it will recognize in the sense. See, I may go like this. Sort with file name. Quickly observe. See, once data is sorted, observe Linux, same data twice is there, right? That's why it is taking one item from this remaining removed. From debuff, three debuffs, it is taking one item. Whenever continuously multiple items are there, then only it can recognize. Otherwise, it won't recognize. Here you may ask me, without using unique, can I do uniqueness? Yes, you can do that too possible. Hyphen you now check it what happening. Same output or different output? See, observe. First I am sorting. First I am sorting. Then I am going to find uniqueness. Then I am going to find uniqueness. UNIQ. This is also writer. See, is there any difference in the output? Check it and tell me. One, two, three, four, five lines. Here also no difference. But way of usage is different. Way of usage is different. So you think I got the clarity? I hope you know it. See, there I use a sort, then I applied unique, same thing. Here they given different extra options. What is the specialty here? These things you need to remember. This is the interview question. With unique command, we can use multiple options, hyphen T. The name itself display duplicate lines. Now try to understand. I want to see unique hyphen T. See, in total file, which word having duplication? See, DevApps having duplicate, Linux having duplicate, Shell having duplicate. Yes or no? Whatever the word again and again it is available within the file, such word names it is showing. Such word names, see, you can see the count, display number of occurrences of each line. C represents their count. See, hyphen C. How many times DevOps is available? How many times? Linux is available, it will show it. That is good, right? See, capital D, only one time capital DevApps is there. Shell is also one time capital, but Linux two times, small DevApps three times, Ansible one time. Number of occurrences of each word or a particular. Is it clear for you? C means C means number of occurrences. We can think like a counting how many times it is available. A D represents only which is duplicated. Duplicated words list, you want to see it? We can see it. Duplicate words list. Duplicated words list. I hope you understood. First check it which. Now any other word? I think next I ignore case with comparing. Now this is also some special feature. See, there are small DevOps is there, capital DevOps is there. They think differently. Why? Linux is case sensitive or case insensitive? Quickly respond, anyone. Linux is case sensitive or case insensitive? Hello, am I audible? Karnataka, you tell me, Linux is case sensitive or case insensitive?
Yes, institution.
Case sensitive. That's why it is recognizing differently. Now, if you don't want to recognize differently, I means ignore it. Is it ignore or not? What it is telling? There I only, right? I only ignore case Y comparisons. Ignore comparisons. Ignore comparisons with unique only, right? But it is didn't avoid any problem. Dev apps. Again it is showing dev apps. Again it is showing dev apps. We need to ignore, but it didn't ignore here. It didn't ignore. Okay, I may go another way. See, sort just hyphen u, sort hyphen unique. What is the file name? This is file. You may think in this way. Now, what I am trying to do, hyphen I here. Check it. Oh, no, not recognize. DEB OPS, DEB OPS. It is not recognized here. First hyphen I. We are ignoring. It is not ignored properly. Maybe this version is not supporting. Maybe this version is not supporting. Or IU or UI. No, this version is not supporting. This is the Ubuntu version, but it will support. Ignore case while compare. You to display only unique lines, only unique. There sort hyphen file one. There you want to see only hyphen just UNIQ hyphen U. Now see, this is the different only one time. This is also only one time. This is also only one time. If you want to see duplicates, this is the at least you may know. If you want to see only uniqueness, just a U. Is there any difficulty here? Quickly observe and tell me. There's sort unique hyphen D, unique hyphen C, even C, unique hyphen I. It is removed. See, ignoring case while comparing. Here it is getting, but in our scenario, not able to getting. Anyway, leave it. Maybe check. We'll check it on the Linux environment. Now, input and output of commands and redirections. Redirection. These things are very important. See, standard input. What is the number here? Try to remember here. For standard input is 0. Standard output is 1. Standard error is 2. Standard input code is what? 0. Standard output code is 1. Standard error code is 2. Now see, standard input associated with 0. See, the data streams are associated with some numbers. Whether you give or not, give or not, it provides the number 0, 1, 2. If you want to see those numbers, we'll try on that. We'll try on that. First, they took one line, cat. They took one line. Yes, see. For the cat command, we are not providing any argument, then the input will be taken from standard input device or they are feeling like the keyboard and display the output of the standard output device terminal. Standard output in the sense 1. They are thinking standard output 1. How they are getting the number? How they got the number? We want to see that number. That is my intention. R file okay. Cannot remove file. No such file or directory. Input from command line arguments and error message to the standard error. Okay. Standard error means okay. Getting an error is nothing but standard error code. Standard error code. Okay. We need to see. We need to see that numbers also. For that, I may go and implement it. Someone is trying to connect. Who is that? Who is that? Yeah. Okay. And now see here, what they are expecting is, see, already one file is there, right? Tell me the file name, file one only, right? Cat, tell me, file one. This is the general nature wherever. Now, according to input output redirection, they are telling like this. Now, with zero. Now, what happened? What happened? By default, they are telling, or maybe this is right one, right? They are expecting number zero, echo, dollar sign, question mark, check it. Yeah, this is number. This is maybe here in this scenario matching, but in reality, command perfectly executed. What is the output you may get? Zero only. Command successfully executed, zero only. We'll check it at before zero or after zero. Quickly check it and tell me where you want to place zero. I may place it on the beginning also. We may check it once again. Really, which is the right one? There, here is zero. Is it valid? Yes, it is valid. Have you got the clarity? This is the input. This is the input redirection. What is the status code? Like zero. Status code like whether you give it or not. Now see output. Cat file one. Generally you may go for greater than file two. You know the meaning of this? Anyone tell me what is the meaning of this? What we are doing here? What is the meaning of here? Is it valid or not? Is it valid or not? Is it valid command or invalid command? Quickly respond. What it is trying to do?
File 1 content total coming to file 2.
Moving to file 2. Just give enter. Is it worked or not? See here you need to check the status code first what it is showing. Echo dollar sign question mark, right? See here it is zero. What does it mean? Command got executed properly. That is the meaning. Status code here zero means command executed properly. Suppose RM hyphen RF Shivashankar, RF Shiva 123. Maybe such file may not be there. File is there or not? May not be there. I think now we go for status code. Echo. Oh, that file is there or not? I think no file, right? Again, I go for Shiva. Such file is not there, but even it is showing like that. Now, what I may do, or like that, I may go for calendar. Calendar may not there, right? I think date 123. Such command is there or not? There is no such command. Now see, now see echo dollar sign question mark. You may get status code is different. Yes or no? Other than zero means wrong command. Zero means right command. But output redirection we want to know. What does it mean? Now observe carefully. This is the output redirection. Here numbering whether you give it or not, whether you give it or not, what it will take. This is the one. Whether you give it or not, whether you give it or not. Here see, check it. This is for input redirection represent zero. Output redirection represents one. Error redirection. What is the meaning, Shivshankar? Error redirection, it represents two. Error redirection, it represents two. Okay. Suppose, okay, we may see the error representation. We may go through documentation, there they will explain. Now see here, cat with one greater than output dot txt. Output dot txt. Even see, this is the output redirection, we are storing data. Here, very first time we are storing data. See, sample data won't be displayed to the terminal and will write to output file. You're writing, it won't display. If you want to display, simply cat with either input redirection or maybe cat with file. See, redirection symbol greater than is always associated with 1 by default. Hence, we are not required to specify 1 explicitly. Already we know, right? Whether you give it or not, it will consider 1 only. That is the output redirection representation. Cat with greater than output dot txt. There's some message controlled. See, instead of overwriting, if we want to perform appending, okay, double greater than this one already you know. This one already you know. Here, try to check it. Cat with calendar, some this year, calendar with year. Maybe for us, calendar may not work, right? Calendar may not work. Calendar may not work. Now, see what I am trying to do. What I am trying to do. Please observe in my screen. I am using date command. Everybody observe. Date command, date greater than, okay, date, date 123. Am I correct or not? Is it valid or invalid? Anyone can guess it? Date greater than,
Well,
invalid, Shivshankar. Check it, enter it. What happens? What happens in the sense that date will display date actually. Try to understand here. Date, am I getting date right? Am I getting date right? This output is going to store, where it is going to store, Shivshankar, now guide me, where it is going to
date
store.
1 to 2.
Yeah, now cat of date 123. Now check it, am I getting the output or not? But
Yes,
our
sir.
intention is different. Someone is trying to join, first we accept it, then we go for calculation. Good. Okay, Chakrapani, good evening.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Have you observed Chakrapani? One or two videos at least?
One video I have opened, sir, but
Okay.
little bit uh,
Confusion is there?
understand, sir. Understand is okay.
Okay.
అర్థం అవుతుంది సార్ బట్ స్టార్టింగే కాబట్టి
Mm.
చూస్తున్నాను సార్.
Okay, good, good. And now listen here. Maybe any difficult task. Now, Shiv what we are talking to do in the sense date one, Shiv Date one observe. What does it mean? Date one, we are going to store date 123. Really, date one command is there or not? Tell me anyone.
No, sir. In
No,
Linux,
no. See, command date from deb, maybe this details it is giving. Sudo apt install something it is giving. That is feeling this is different command. This such command is not there. If you want to install it, you can go this way. But here, what their intention is, Shiv Shankar?
yeah, like dependencies.
Yeah. See, here two, Shiv Shankar. What does it mean? Date one, two, I provided. What happening? Observe. Now see, you are not getting any message, right? This is the specialty here. You won't get any error
Status code.
message. This status, whatever it is storing into date 123. You want to see cat date 123. That is the specialty here. Now check it here. Total message is storing, right? Yes or no? But
Yes, sir.
industry people, how they are using in the sense, industry people they are using this command. I think if you see suddenly you may have confusion. What is ampersand? What is ampersand? This ampersand means either may one or maybe two. You know one means, you know two means. Anyone can respond. What does it mean of one? What does it mean of true? At least respond.
Status code is other than 0.
Just listen. Just listen. I am going to give clarity. Where is my MS Paint? Did I open MS Paint? No, I think Windows key or MS Paint. Now everybody try to understand here. See, their intention, internal intention is this. I am opening here. See, one with greater than or one with double greater than. This is output redirection. Output with what? Over right. Everybody know, right? This is what? Output with append. Shiv Shankar, I think there is no difficulty here. Yes or no? Yes or no? Anyone? Now, what I am trying to explain is two with two with either single greater than, two with either double greater than, two with either double greater than. This is output with error message. Error message override. Override. Here output with error message with append. Yes or no? Quickly observe and tell me. If difficulty is there, I may go with other way. Karunakar, you got the clarity. Whether you give it or not, it will work. By default, it will work. But if you give it, then only it will work. For error message, you must give number 2, then only it will work. Otherwise, it never work. It will show error messages
So
only.
other than 2, what is happened, sir?
Which one? Tell me.
Other than 2, sir.
Other than 2, what happens? Other than 2 means what it will feels? One only. Shiv Shankar. If there is no 2, we are having
So
only
if error code was 127, sir.
no, that is the different, that is the error code. That is error code in the sense what? If command is not working, dynamically it will take one number. Shiv Shankar, by using 2 with greater than, only sending message to an output file. Output file. What is the output file? User defined files. Yes, sir. At least you got little clarity. మనం ఓన్గా ఒక ఫైల్ చెప్తున్నాము. ఆ ఫైల్లోకి ఎర్రర్ మెసేజ్ని నంబర్ కాదు శివశంకర్, మనకు నంబర్తో పని లేదు. మనకి ఇచ్చిన మెసేజ్, వచ్చిన ఎర్రర్ మెసేజ్ని ఎక్కడో చోట స్టోర్ చేయాలంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి? టూని వాడాలి. గాట్ ద క్లారిటీ? టూ రిప్రజెంట్స్ వాట్? సి వాట్?
Error message storage ఉంటూ
స్టోరేజ్
1
కోసం
5.
మాత్రమే. ఆ స్టోరేజ్ కోసం జనరల్గా నువ్వేమడుగుతున్నావు అంటే 0 ఉంది, 1 ఉంది, 2 ఉంది, 3 ఉంది, 4 ఉంది, అప్ టు 255 నంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 255 నంబర్స్. అదర్ దాన్ 0 ఆల్ ఆర్ ఎర్రర్ కోడ్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్ స్టోరీ. దీన్ని ఏమంటామంటే ఎగ్జిట్ కోడ్స్ అంటాం. ఎగ్జిట్ కోడ్స్. Got it or not? But here we are talking about just input redirection code. Redirection. What is the input redirection? 0. What is the output redirection? That is 1.
1.
What is the error redirection? That's all. If you know this one, story is over. సి ఇండస్ట్రీస్ అన్నీ వాడుతున్నాయి లేదా పక్కన పెడతాం, ఉన్న వాటిని మనం అర్థం చేసుకుంటాం. ఇఫ్ వి నీడెడ్ వీ కెన్ అప్లై దిస్. If we needed, even I may show you one small example, you may get the clarity. Once again, I am showing. Here, what I am trying to show you, see, first I am using date, ampersand, greater than, my file name is welcome. Shall I press enter? Command is executed or not, Shiv Shankar? Is it everything fine?
Yes, sir.
Now ampersand means what? Now guess it and tell me. Now ampersand means what?
0.
It feels 0 or 1 or 2. Tell me. 0 or 1 or 2. You tell me the number. What it feels? 0 or 1 or 2? Tell
1,
me.
sir.
1, good. Now same thing, up arrow, date 1 I am giving. If I press enter, what happens? Again command got executed. But now it
Yes,
is
sir.
treated as which number here? Which
Two,
number?
two, two.
2.
Error
Now,
code not
now
stored
see
in
the
system.
message cat.
Cat
Welcome I
welcome.
given. Shall I press enter?
Yes, sir.
See, two different only greater than is there, right? Greater than was there. Greater than, single greater than. If I give double greater than, both values are available. I may show you that too also. I may show you that too also. Here double greater than I am using. What happens? Observe quickly. Now check it. Now I go for cat. Now see my error message here. This is my output message. It is displaying, it is storing based on 1. It is storing based on 2. We don't know, right? Sometimes may 1 work, sometimes may 2 work. When 1 works, command properly executed means 1. Command not properly executed means 2. For that industry people what they developed, that means ampersand. Ampersand means either 1 or 2. Now got the clarity? Now got the clarity? Here, what I used here, cat. Here, did I specify any number, Shivashankar? Did I specify any number here?
No,
No.
sir. No,
No
sir.
means what? Here, what does it mean? 0
Zero.
less than. Less than. This is the 0 less than. This is the input redirection. Now, I hope little bit you got the clarity. Little bit you got the clarity. Now see, I may run one command. I may run one command. Maybe what I may run, maybe ping, right? Ping here it may work or not. We don't know. Ping google.com. Google. See, is it pinging or not? It is keep on pinging. I may use in this way. Ping hyphen c hyphen c. Maybe 5. Now check it. What is the small difference between hyphen c with 5? Di- Ping with directly Google. Now have you got the difference? C represent count, Shivashankar. Count.
Count, count.
How many times I want to ping it?
Five
5
times,
times.
sir. After 5 times, it won't execute.
It won't execute. Now suppose see you may use like this. Internally it is pinging. See it is pinging. I don't want to see this message. This is the garbage. You know the word garbage in Telugu. Anyone tell me?
Trash, trash.
Trash. Maybe చెత్త. ఇది నాకు కనిపించకూడదు అయినా ఇంటర్నల్గా రన్ కావాలి వాట్ షెల్ ఐ డూ నౌ సి దేర్ ఐ మే గో విత్ యాంపర్సెండ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ స్లాష్ స్లాష్ డెవ్ స్లాష్ నల్ స్లాష్ నల్ నో చెక్ ఇట్ వాట్ హ్యాపనింగ్ నో చెక్ ఇట్ వాట్ హ్యాపనింగ్ am I viewing that message? Is it running? Yes, it is running. Where it is going? Dev slash nil. This is the garbage collector according to Unix standard. What does it mean? This is the garbage collector. Shivashankar understood or not? This is the
Yes,
garbage
sir.
collector. Slash dev slash null. What it represents? It can take the garbage. It can take the garbage. I hope you got it. Now good to go. See there somewhere the specific ampersand greater than means both standard output and standard error. Got the clarity? Both standard input, standard output, and standard error. See, cat less than a.txt, greater than output.txt. That means data is storing into here, and to error.txt. Those are the symbols they given. See, somewhere dev may be there, they may given or not. Already explained something. These are the for examination sake they may ask. Only exam point of view. Now you know pipeline. Now you know pipeline. Already we use a little bit pipeline. Today we'll see some more extra things regarding pipeline. Some more extra things regarding pipeline. Now quickly we are going to pipeline concept. When do we go for pipeline? When do we go for pipeline? Now try to understand and type it. See, one command is giving output. Yes, one command output giving as an input to another command. This command. Here is the input. Input to another. Input to another. See, maybe combination circuits, maybe in where in circuit theory, there this is the command output. We are giving as an input to another command. One command is giving an output, another command is taking as an input. We may know, you may know. See, I may give a simple example. Again, I am going. See, cat of file one already you know. This is command output. Okay, good. This command, how many lines having? You can get it here itself, no problem. Cat hyphen n. You know it, right? How many lines are there? We are very happy. How many lines are there? 10 lines. Yes or no? But how many characters are there? Cat command will provide characters, number of characters. Anyone tell me? Cat command shall it provide number of characters? Anyone tell me?
No, sir.
No. Which command will provide? For that,
Word count.
this command output is giving input to WC hyphens. Yes or no? It is giving. That's what we require. First, from left to right execution happens. See, left this command first. Next, this command. Even this is given to some other command. No problem. This is given to some other command. Now check it. What I am trying to do. Greater than may work or not. Leave it. Greater than what I am trying to do. There I am trying to data maybe check it now. See ls hyphen l data, the word is there or not, check it. Yes sir. Now cat of data. What is the advantage here? The final output is storing or not, Shivshankar, tell me. The final output we
Yes,
are
sir.
storing somewhere. That is the advantage here in Linux. One command running, that command is giving to another command, again that command is running, that command output is giving to input for this, the word data. Data is the file name. I hope you got it. Now good to go. Now one special command is there. One special command is there. T command. What is the speciality of T command? First see the diagram here. See the diagram here. This is the special. Generally, one command is giving output, maybe one command output giving to another command as an input. Now what is our intention? Not for one command, we need to give for two commands as an input. Output of ls, output of ls is going for wc, is going for abc.txt. Shivshankar, have you got the clarity? Now what I am trying to do, ls hyphen l, Shivshankar, ls hyphen l. You may get some list, right? This one I want to store it into maybe file name abc. It may work or not, tell me quickly. It may work or not, tell me.
Okay, sir.
Works. Now see cat of abc. Yes, it is working or not? Yes, it is showing. But at a time I want to do two things. I want to know number of how many lines here we are having. I want to know number of how many lines we are having, and also I want to store where I want to store something xyz. We may
One
try
file.
first. ls hyphen l, ls hyphen l, I am showing the drawback. After that pipe symbol, WC, what is that here? What is that here?
Which
WC
mails?
hyphen L. Till now clear, Shivshankar? This, it will work
Yes.
100%. It will work 100%. Now, my question, this command output is giving input to this as well as what is my requirement greater
Stored
than
into some.
XYZ. Now everybody understand this command output is giving to this. This command output only is giving to this. Are understanding everybody? Please carefully observe. My question is not like that. This command output I want to give to this as well as whom? This one also. Are understanding or not? This one also. One command output I want to give input to two commands at a time. But this way of not acceptable. This way of not acceptable. Even see here, it is executed, but our assumption is not completed. Yes or no, Shivshankar? What is my
Yes,
assumption?
sir.
I want to store here as well as I want to give to this one also. but this fulfillment is not completed. How it will fulfill? By using T command. How it will fulfill? By using, first see the syntax of T command. First see that syntax of T command. ls-l T. What does it mean? ls-l. Try to observe T command. T. Whenever if use T, first we are sending our message to XYZ. First, we are sending our message to XYZ. After that, we are giving input to. See, now try to understand. We are sending message to XYZ as well as sending message to whom? WC hyphen L. Is it clear for you, Shiv Shankar?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now, any error? I hope you got an error. Why T command is worked or not?
We
No, no, no,
not
small.
getting touching.
I didn't apply pipe symbol, right? Pipe symbol. Now check it here. ls-l t
But
xyz.
after LS and also one pipe symbol is there, sir.
There, right? I hope this one. Yeah. Now good. See, both areas, XYZ our content holding and it is applied count. Now data XYZ. Now see it. Data is there or not? That is the power of T command. That is the power of T command. Here thing is you need to wherever T is there, meaning of T is not only for this output I am going to give this one also. Story. Here is story and as well as to sum up. This is somewhat special command. Good to go. See xargs command. Display the output of data command by using echo command with the piping concept. We need to use echo. We need to use echo. See date command. They want to echo, but that is not able to run it. First observe. First observe. I'm going to what they are trying to explain. Date is the output only, right? Already by default date is running. But what they are trying to explain, date, there what there, echo. Echo means reflect, right? Reflects. See what their intention is. This command output they want to pass on to extract means echo reflection. That means x args. That is the command only, right? Extracting arguments. See now it is extracting previous command and giving to echo. So Shankar, little bit got the clarity. It is taking and
Yes.
giving. Now see date and echo it won't work because the output of date command is stream, but echo command will accept only command line arguments but not stream. But stream means by default it will display. By default, date means general. This it works like that. Stream is flow. Just we are getting. It is not given to another. It is not given to even see. We may check echo pipe symbol WC hyphen. We may check like this. What it is doing? It is doing maybe here also. Maybe on votes. Here it is working no problem, but sometimes some commands may not work. Stream is just the flow of data it is displaying. But xargs means it is extracting and giving to some other command and giving to some other. See cat of input.txt extracting again cat and taking t output.txt and giving wc hyphen extracting and catting and giving to some other. It is extracting and removing, extracting and removing. List out all content of dev and save it file one. Okay, what it is saying? Assume input.txt contains file names or input.txt contain file name. What their intention? Yeah, this is somewhat special thing. Input.txt. And now I am going to give little clarity, Shivshankar. This is one special concept. Try to understand. Now, kata greater than a dot txt. Try to understand. There I written welcome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This data is there. Control T. In the same way, b dot txt. Cat of greater than b dot txt. There may be Linux, maybe 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Right. Control D. Good. How many files here? Two files are there. These two files I am storing into cat of greater than maybe my files.txt. My files.txt. We're assuming like that. Now, what is the first file name? A.txt. What is the second file name? B.txt. Now, control T. Till now, clear, Shivashankar? If I use here cat of my files.txt. Now, my intention is I want to see the content of these two files, Shivashankar. I want to see the content of these two files. How can I see it? There,
Pipe extract cat.
cat of my files. After that, pipe
Pipe
symbol T
xargs.
xr, right? X, yeah, extracting arguments. Again
Pipe
cat, then pipe symbol, then pipe
t.
symbol. What they given? T, right? T, T, where they are storing, maybe on any one file. Maybe I make you, maybe file, assume. That's all we'll try for up to this. T will follow multiple things. You may check it. Is it worked or not? Tell me. Data is stored in where? See the file command got created or not? ls-l. File command got created or not? Check it. File got
File.
created. Data is stored in
Mm,
file. Cat of
file.
file. Now you may ask me, sir, I don't want to store. I want up to this only. You check it. This is a special thing. This file contain multiple files. Those file names are extracting and each file content it is displaying. Is it good, right? Useful or not? Sometimes it may happen. They may write all the file names in one special file. That special file having all the files, based on that, you want to extract the content. That's why we're using extra.
Like Windows in program files folders.
Yes, yes. జస్ట్ లైక్ ఇన్వెంటరీ ఫైల్‌లో మనకు ఐపీ అడ్రెస్ ఎలా ఉంటాయో అలా ఫైల్స్ ఉంటే మనం యాక్సెస్ చేయడం కోసం ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఐ హోప్ యూ గాట్ ఇట్. యెస్ ఆర్ నో? ఈవెన్ సీ హియర్ ఆల్సో మల్టిపుల్ ఫైల్స్ మే బి దేర్. ls-l. See here so many files are there. We don't know which files having content, right? We don't know which files having content. So all the files you want to extract. Now tell me the command. Those may be this total files you want to store first in one file. Then only it will work. You may check it here like this cat star. See, it won't work. Why it won't work? We need to specify one file. That file must contain file names only, not for general content, Shivasankar. Not for general
Yes, yes.
content. Must contain file names. That is important. I hope you got it. Now good to go. What next? See, piping, you know, right? Piping means one command output, we are giving to another command as an input. We are giving output to another command as an input. Now, how to use multiple commands in single line. I hope already explained, right? Multiple commands in single line. Multiple commands in single line. Quickly observe. I want to install Git and Maven and HTTP. Three things I want to install. Anyone tell me? I want to install three things here. Generally, what is that? APT. What is that? Sudo may work or not? I don't know. APT install. APT install. Git, right? And Maven. After that, hyphen one. What does it mean, Shivasankar?
First,
A-
Git software
First
was
Git.
installed.
If it is installed, then only it will go for Maven. Are you agree with
Yes,
me? Yes. We may
yes.
try it. Really, it may work or not. What happening could not open log file. Maybe that is internal problem because
Permission names.
permission denied. We may go with sudo.
It is the expected sudos.
We may go with sudo. Now see, it is asking password, DevApps. My password is DevApps. I provided. Now check it. It is Maven. Am I given Maven, right? Maybe check it. What is that? Git hyphen v. Git hyphen v. Maybe here this is not a, this is general, this is the general one, even may not install. I may go with another way. I may go with another way. What I want to go, just what I am trying to do, mkdir, you know, right? Mkdir, one folder I want to, tell me one folder name, tell me one folder name I am creating.
Multi.
Which one?
Multi.
Multi, multi. Once this folder got created, then only what will you do? And cat and touch. Then within the multi, what will you do? Create just numbers, one dot dot. You want to create in that one dot. Now check it. If it is true, then only it will work. Otherwise, it won't work. See, it may work here. Is it worked or not? How can I check it? First CD or ls-l. Now tell me ls-l or ls-l or I may go for multi.
Multi.
Now check it. Created or not? Numbers 1 to some. Suppose I may go in this way, Shivshankar. Now what I am trying to do? Same thing. Multi GULTY, guilty, maybe something XYZ. It may work or not, quickly respond anyone. Within the multi, I want to store guilty. Within the guilty, I want to create XYZ. Then you need to implement it. See, this is not a multi is there. What about guilty? Such folder is not there, right? It may not work. See, check it. No such file or directory. Now, if it is okay for us, then only it will create. Otherwise, it won't create. Now, what I am telling is, suppose here in place of and, I am giving R. I mean R. R means here this
Is
one,
it this or that?
semicolon. Here semicolon means R. Whether it is created or not, it must create on this. Shall we go for that? Because of already multi was there, right? Even I may add Shivshankar 1 to 100. You may see. Yes. Now see, no such file or directory, which is it is not there. But you check it here. ls hyphen l. What is that? multa, right?
Hyphen L or multis.
See, 1 to 100 got created.
Yes.
Sometimes after A, then only go for B. Sometimes even either A is working or not, you need to go to B. Both such type of requirements are needed. That's why this is nothing but under representation. This is nothing but or representation. Is it clear for you? This is nothing but or representation. I hope you got it. Now, regular expressions and wildcard error. This is one of the wonderful concept. Try to understand slowly. First, they are giving represents 0 or more. This is star here. They forgot to write here Shivshankar. Here nothing is there, right? 1 after that only hyphen greater than symbol is there. Here star symbol is there. Star represents 0 or more characters. Now try to understand. There what I am trying to do, ls hyphen l, good. There stop. Already got it, but it first CL here clear. ls hyphen l star. Star means all, right? That's why you got all Shivshankar. Now try to tell me, maybe some file names is good, right? You may go for and create it. Touch their file one dot file. You may see clearly dot txt. In the same way, dot java. Two formats are there. Now what I am trying to do, what is the intention? ls hyphen l, their file, their f star dot txt. Now check it. After f, 0 or more characters. Okay, what is the extension must be? Dot txt.
TXTs.
That is the star represents star represents. See here, what is the specialty here? Here also I am using star. Extension, whatever it is, don't bother. Starting letter must be yeah. I hope you got the clarity. Yes or no? I want to see only some letter names. Some letter names. Here what? Say maybe I may go with the touch. There flower bracket A dot dot B again slash flower bracket A dot dot B. Now check it is what happening. Now what happened? I need to specify touch A dot dot B. Then again A dot B. Now what happening? A what happened? What happened? Touch of AB good only. No any ls hyphen L. AB got created or not? Or else quickly I may go for touch AA, BB, AB, there BA, there ABC, there AAA, there BB. Now see LS hyphen L, only one letter names I want or two letters. LS hyphen L, check it. This is the specialty. So Shankar got it. How many question marks I provided? Two
Two,
question
sir.
mark. Each question mark represents exactly one
One
character.
byte.
One character. One byte. One character. Good. Now even I want to go with after this star. What does it mean? Minimum two. After that, we don't know how many it is there. Even see, maybe here how many it is showing. See the content. Now Now see here, I think question mark represent only one character. How many question marks I given? Two question. See range of characters. Range of characters. What does it mean? We need to specify. We need to specify here either A or B or C. See now try to understand. LS hyphen L. That's square bracket A B C. Then star. What does it mean? Guess it, Susan. Any name start with A or any name start
Start
with
with
B, any name start with C only. Other names won't visible. See, check it. Start with A is there. Start with B is there. Start with not even C is not there, right? C not there.
yes.
That's why it
That's
is
the
not
problem.
showing. Set theory. Got it or not?
Yes.
Set theory.
Yes.
You got it. Now, what is the next one? See, except. Except means other than ABC. This is also very powerful. I don't want ABC. I want others. See, check it. Yes or no? You got it. Now simply you go for only letter. Wherever letters is there, those things I wanted. See now the specialty LS hyphen L. Now suppose you want to specify like this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H up to Z. Very complex, right? That's why they given A to Z. This is star. Very simple. A to Z. After that star I specified A to Z. Is it worked or not? A to Z after star. Even see A to Z I am giving after question mark. Now see what happens. Why we are getting only this output? Tell me here. This A to Z represent first characters.
Two characters.
Either A or B or C or up to Z. What is the next one? One more single character. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now this represents what? This represents what? Not only is lowercase but also uppercase. This represents what you may know now. What does it mean? Either may
Index
lowercase or maybe uppercase or maybe
numbering
numeric
form.
number. But how many letter names you want to get it? Only two. Only two.
Two.
Yes. There are only two are there. A B, B A, B. You got it. Similarly, you go for I use the right capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, capital A to capital Z, 0 to 9. Even that too also I mention. Even other than this, you check it. Other than this, here you are using exclamation, not not symbol. Other than this, such item not there, such items not there. That's why it is not showing. See, you want to get only any lowercase alphabet symbols. Any lowercase, you want to get it. Any lowercase alphabet symbol. How to get it? See, there, ls hyphen l. The first square bracket, second colon, al, all. Again, colon, square bracket, square. See, is there any special thing? I am correct only, right? Colon, lower, what I written here? Lower you need to go. Lower, not all. LOWER. Now check it. No such file or directory. Okay, no problem. Question mark. Now see, Shiv Shankar. It represents only first character. What does it mean? This is equal to, this is equal to, this is equal to, tell me here, what happening? Small a to small z, that's all. Either you may use this format or you may use this format or you may, suppose I may use second time, again colon, LOW or lower, again colon, square bracket. How many letters I specified? Two letters. Is it clear or not? Tell me. Yes or no? Don't panic here. This is they given their industry standard they may provided. Somewhere in programming, they may write like this also. In the same way, upper is the check it. Their lower, upper, alpha, digit, alpha number, and only digit, not digits. Not digits. See list of files with comma separate. List of files, comma separate. We may check list of files, comma separate. I want to see only file with 125. See ls hyphen l. They see file curly brace 1 dot dot 3 dot txt. Such files only I want to see. Check it here. Shankar, got the clarity. I want to see specific range. Here file name with numbering here. Numbering I specify. Is it good or bad? This is only specific numbering you want to specify it. You want to specify it. I may either you may go with like this also. Maybe it may also work. You may check it. It may also work. How to do it? Maybe floor bracket file1.txt, comma file2.txt, comma file. Even I am going with 4.txt. It may. Yes or no? Observe file1, file2, file. Clear or not? I applied all the things. I applied manually all the things. These things are. You tried. Remaining things we'll discuss. Command line arguments tomorrow evening. Tomorrow evening. Thank you. If any doubt is there, try to ask me or else we may wind the session. Today I given multiple things, but try to work with the regular expression. Our future is very simple. Okay, thank you. ఎక్కువ చెప్పేసి ఎంత మంది అంటే బయట చాలా కమాండ్ చెప్పేసి 4:30కి స్టార్ట్ చేసింది